too like to goof around a lot. Well, this police station isn't for goofing. Or my name isn't Chief Cool Cop. Well, actually, my name is Buzzcut. Well, it doesn't matter. Here's your car. Wow, look at that. The magnifique. Oh man, the magnificent siren. The magnificent badge on it. The good fetching wheels. Wow. Actually, guys, this was my car. Well, the real vehicles are on to your left, which is right next to my. Sorry, we can't hear you over our super rad cool new police vehicle. I hope you have fun on those scooters. Well, I hope that you don't get late on any missions. Goodbye. Then again, Patty McBuzzkill, you're going to the attorney law by two 11-year-old boys who are just driving my truck. Yep, you'll get in trouble, all right. Real trouble. Wow, look at our super cool rad police car. And it has awesome things that you can press. There's a steering wheel and some buttons. Push button. Oh, that wasn't the right button. Oh, taco bars! Tacos! Love those delicious tacos. Wow, more buttons. No, the bacon! You just pressed the kablooey. Oh, sorry. Last but not least, we have the brakes. Hey, why aren't we stopping? Ah! We're gonna go straight to that. Ah! Oh, hey, you must be Mark and Derek. Welcome home. Are we in the dentist's room? No, this is a doctor's office. You're warm, safe, and care. Oh, thanks, Danielle.